Proclamation of Independence states that the Philippines is now a free and independent country. It is no longer under Spanish rule. It explains the reasons why Filipinos fought for independence, such as oppression, abuse, and the denial of basic rights by Spain. The document also declares that the Filipino people have the right to govern themselves. This event eventually marked the independence of the Philippines on June 12, 1898.
Historical context or meaning of the source. The document was written and proclaimed on June 12, 1898 in Kawit, Cavite. The issue during the Spanish-American War after U.S. victory at the Battle of Manila Bay amid the Philippine Revolution against over 330 years of Spanish colonial rule. Spain control was weakening. Philippines faced exploitation and limited rights, meaning formal declaration of separation from Spain and assertion of national sovereignty based on principles of liberty, equality, and one popular sovereignty symbolic milestone but precedes the United States colonization and the Philippine-American War of 1898 to 1902.
Background of the author, Ambrosio Rianzaris Bautista. He was a Filipino lawyer and nationalist. Educated in law during the Spanish colonial and post-colonial studies. A strong supporter of the Philippine revolutionary movement against Spain, and served as a legal advisor of General Emilio Aguinaldo. He was played an important role in formally expressing the Filipino movement, the Filipinos' desire to freedom and self-government through the proclamation. Ambrosio Rianzaris Bautista was a Filipino lawyer and patriot who played a key role in the country's fight for independence. Educated during the Spanish colonial period, he supported the revolutionary movement against Spain. And worked closely with Emilio Aguinaldo as a legal advisor. Bautista is best known for helping formally expressing the Filipinos' desire for freedom through the Proclamation of Independence, making him an important figure in the Philippines.
Hello, I'm John Kenneth C.S. and we're here to talk about the author's intent or purpose in producing such texts. The purpose of the proclamation of the Philippine independence was to declare the country's sovereignty and to unite the Filipinos, formally announced that the Filipino people and the international community that the Philippines deserve freedom and independence. The proclamation was not only meant to end the Spanish rule, but also to inspire the national unity and affirm the Filipino right to self-governance. The document was aimed to show the Filipinos were capable of governing themselves. It's also, like, in my view, is Aguinaldo's main purpose was also to declare the country as an independent country, and also to inspire unity among Filipinos, and also wanted to show that Filipinos could govern themselves and were willing to fight for their freedom. And it was also meant to gain recognition from other countries and to strengthen the sense of national identity. Thank you.
So to proceed with our conclusion, and based on our personal view from my co-members, that the proclamation of Philippine independence represents the Filipino people's courage and unity in fighting for freedom after centuries of Spanish rule. It formally declared that the nation's sovereignty and highlighted the sacrifices and leadership that shaped the country's struggle for self-governance. Today, it continues to inspire Filipinos to value their freedom, honor their ancestors, and uphold responsibility, unity, and patriotism in protecting the nation's liberty. So, this means that the Proclamation of Independence on June 12, 1898 was the most significant moment in our history. So, meaning ang this event or the Proclamation of Independence on June 12, 1898 kuno kay mo kuno siya ang pinaka most important nga history sa to ang country or sa Philippine history. So, ganun important naman siya because it was a day we finally declared that we are free from Spanish rule after more than 300 years of colonization. So, wala kakabalo na magitanaw nga ang ato ang nasod or our country is colonized by the Spaniards for about 300 years. So, saka na siya nga tuiga, saka na nga 300 years is most of the Filipinos kanang experience torture, abuse, or by physically or pwede na po sa kanang about sa position, about sa government. And there are also many others na negative effects sa mga pag-rule sa mga Spanish diri sa ato. So that's why this event, the Proclamation of Independence, is really important in one of the most important here in the Philippine history. So to continue, this event proved that the bravery, courage, and unity of the Filipino people, led by our heroes like General Emilio Aguinaldo, we show the world that we are capable of standing on our own and governing ourselves. So, nga sa paghuman na ni siya nga sa pagkakuha na ni nga event is nga na-prove good nga ang mga Filipinos kay brave enough and natay courage, and also we unite as one. So kay sa panahon na sa proclamation kay si General Emilio Aguinaldo maginagkuha na ni kanang nag-implement aning idea. To proceed, it was a day our national flag was first raised and national anthem was heard, symbolizing our identity as a free nation. However, we must also remember that independence is not just a date in history or a piece of paper. So meaning kani siya nga event is dili lang siya date nga dapat natong ginumduman, but also dili sad siya kanang a paper only, a document. It is a precious gift that was paid for by the blood, sweat, and sacrifice of our ancestors. No kay tagaan gyud ni nato siya bili ang kani siya nga day or ang kani siya nga event. It is because grabe gyud ang sacrifice sa atong mga ancestors ani or sa atong mga heroes, so that our country will kanang nanatay freedom nga unsa atong buhaton, kung unsa to ang gusto nga kabuton, and also we have the right to make decisions or kanang atong kung unsa atong i-aksaw sa community or sa atong country. They fought hard so that we, the present generation, can enjoy the freedom and rights we have today. So muna nito nakita karon nga nanatay freedom, and also we also have rights because of the ancestors who fought from that time. May naka hatag og freedom sa ato country. Therefore, the history teaches us a very important lesson. True independence does not only mean being free from foreign control, but it also means being responsible citizens. It is now our duty to protect this freedom, love our country, and work together to make the Philippines better. We must show patriotism, not just by celebrating June 12th, but being honest, united, and helpful to our fellow Filipinos. So dapat magtinabagan kita ng mga co-Filipinos or mga Filipinos so that ang atoang country is mulambo pag siya nga mulambo. And in the end, the Proclamation of Independence reminds us that the freedom is something we must value, protect, and pass on to the next generation. Mo gani siya ang kinahanglan natong i-value nga atong freedom. Mo nang gitawag siya nga significant moment or the important events sa one of the Philippine history because diri nato na kita ang pag-unite sa mga Filipinos sa ilahang courage o ilahang bravery to fight the Spaniards nga makakuanta sa atong freedom. And that's all for our presentation about Proclamation of Independence here in the Philippines, and that's all. Thank you.
Members: Kenneth J. Bensig, Speaker; Nico Ryan Barasan, Speaker; John Manuel Sorizo, Speaker; Jailor Diadol, Speaker; John Kenneth SIAS, Speaker; Alyssa May Pasal, Video Editor. Thank you.